In this video, we are going to be improvising on the white keys in beginner hand positions, one finger per key, these sort of classic pentascales. And same idea in the left hand. We're going to have pentascale hand positions in the left hand. We're actually going to put the melody in the left hand and have open fifths in the right hand. Open fifth, similar kind of position as you would have here. It's just we're not going to use these middle three fingers, just the thumb and the fifth finger. So we're going to move around like this. Okay? And the left hand is going to have the melody, and both hands are going to be in the same position, meaning C to G, one finger per key. But these we're not going to use on the right hand. We're just doing block, open fifth in the, or what's called a power chord, in the right hand, and then a melody in the left hand. Let's say I've come up, well, I haven't really, but I'm going to improvise a little idea in the left hand. Let's say my idea is this. Okay? And I'm going to do that with this block. That's in the C position, both hands. I'm going to move it down to A. Do the same idea, same finger pattern. Okay, I'm going to move this down to G. To F. Back to C. To A. So you got the idea. The right hand, does it have to just hang out there and hold it for the whole time? It does not. It could pulse. Okay, let's move this up. What about to E? Let's move to G. Let's move to F. Takes a lot more coordination once this is starting to pulse. What if it was moving this fast, pulsing this fast? Let's go to E or A, G, F, etc. This could be even faster. Let's say it's doing this. Notice both hands are in this E position. D, back to E, F, G, A, G. Okay. So, another thing, this melody idea could vary as it moves along. So, that's the idea. But maybe sometimes it's... Okay, I went back to the original, but you heard the variation. So, maybe I'm doing this. Original. I varied it. I added a couple tones. I ended the idea at the top note. Maybe I just end it there. Maybe I end that as well. So you get the idea. Right hand, block, open fifth. The left hand has the melodic material, some short melodic phrase that you can remember, and move it around to the various locations, both hands moving parallel. And it's a great exercise. It's great for improvisation. It's good for beginning and intermediate students. Have fun with that.